Hi, I'm Luann Weeks. I'm often asked about what thinset is and how to mix it. So in this video, I will answer all these questions. First, be safe and always wear safety glasses. And when you're mixing powders, wear a dust mask and your gloves. Now first of all, thinset's also known as mortar. It is an adhesive and it's used to adhere tiles to a substrate. Don't confuse thinset with grout, because grout is for filling in crevices, whereas thinset is an adhesive. Now it comes in either white or gray color, but how do you decide on which one to use? Well, a good tip is, if your grout color is going to be a light color, go ahead and use a white thinset. If your grout's going to be dark, use the gray thinset. Doing this helps eliminate any thinset from showing through your grout. Home improvement stores sell thinset in 50-pound bags. So if you buy a large amount, make sure you store it in an airtight container. Now if you only need small amounts, then you can buy thinset in 1-pound bags online. That way you aren't lifting heavy bags or having to store all that thinset that potentially can be wasted if not used timely. There is a shelf life of about a month after opened unless it's properly sealed. Thinset's also available in pre-mixed containers, and that's fine to use also. Thinset is best used for mosaic projects that are exposed to moisture and outdoor conditions, like in your shower or in your garden.